everyone, I'm Sam with Eagle Creek, and today we'll be looking at the Packet Isolate structured folders. They come in two sizes, medium and large. It's treated with Protex 2, an antimicrobial agent which fights odor-causing bacteria for long-lasting stink protection. These folders can hold multiple shirts and help keep them wrinkle-free. Let me show you how it works. To pack your structured cube, you'll use this provided folding board and start by placing your clothing item face down. Put the folding board on top. Fold over the board and place your item into the structured folder. And you'll want to keep your collars alternated to help maximize packing space. Next, slide out the folding board, place it on top, and use it to help pack in your clothes. Zip it up. And finally, use the compression zipper to compress your items and allow for more space in your bag. The durable ripstop fabric is super lightweight and translucent, allowing you to see what's inside, and it's even washable and water resistant. It has a top handle for easy grab and go, and the zippers are super durable and self-repairing, so you never have to worry about overstuffing or split zippers. They also have these awesome climbing rope inspired pulls, making it easy to open and giving it a fun outdoor aesthetic. The Packet Isolate structured folder is responsibly built and covered by our lifetime warranty, so it outlasts every adventure on your bucket list.